What was supposed to be a fun road trip to our family's citrus ranch turned into...
Look, people are like backing out of it.
Well,
straight off-roading it.
This.
I wish we had a motorcycle.
Hi Callies, welcome back. If you're new here, my name's Alyssa. This week in Super Cali Land, we had a super fun road trip planned for you guys. We were gonna take you from our mid-century modern desert oasis all the way up into the foothills of the Sierra Nevadas to visit my family's citrus ranch. Usually I'm pretty stressed leading up to a big road trip, but I was totally zen. I had all the bags packed. I had my work gloves. I was ready to pick some citrus and just enjoy the ranch with family and my kids. We got off to a really early start. It was super easy. Heading out of Palm Springs, we're just like totally feeling the road trip vibe. Looking forward to our first stop, which is Starbucks.
Can I get the same thing I had last time?
What'd you get? Travel day. Wait a minute. You got a pink drink. We are at our favorite pit stop right now, Starbucks. So good. So we're excited to be in a road trip, Cali road trip with you guys. I love how at this point I have no idea the type of road trip I am taking on this particular day. The first thing that should have been my warning sign, my map suddenly was like trying to reroute me.
Save 40 minutes via San Francisco Canyon Road.
The map is trying to take us off the freeway. I don't know if I want to do that.
And sure enough, a few minutes later, this happens. We are stuck in really bad like construction traffic on the 5 just past Six Flags Magic Mountain, and at least we just stopped at Starbucks and went to the bathroom and stuff. We have cups if we need them, if we need to pee. Pack diapers. Oh, it's good we went to Starbucks. We all used the bathroom. We're good. We're just hitting a little patch of LA traffic. And then I noticed cars like going against traffic, like bailing.
Look at people are like backing out of it. People are straight up bailing on this. What a guy. Look at all these cars. Maybe I should bail. What should I do, you guys? There's a truck, a black truck. Oh, look at these cars. They're about to hit each other. Oh, he went up there. I wonder if I could do that.
And I was actually really lucky because I was in my car that has 4-wheel drive, and there happened to be like this like dirt steep off-ramp, and I saw trucks going up, and I'm like, I can totally do that.
Straight off-roading it. This is like probably a highway patrol lane or something, but this is bad, so I'm not sitting in this. It's like the highway, it must be an accident, the highway's closed. Something happened.
And then I'm starting to panic a little bit. I stop at a gas station because I only have a quarter tank, and I'm like, if I'm gonna end up on some crazy mountain detour trying to get around this road closure, I should probably have a full tank of gas. I don't want to get stuck in the mountains without gas. And the kids and I, we go into the gas station, and I talk to the guy. I'm like, he's local, he'll know what's up. And I'm like, do you know what's going on with the 5? There seems to be a road closure. He's like, well, we just had a really big rain, so I wouldn't head up into the mountains because those roads could be really bad, like because of mudslides and stuff. So I'm like, okay, I'm glad he said that because I don't really feel like that big of an adventure today with the kids. So I'm like, oh, you know what? We'll just go to a park and we'll just wait for this to blow over. So the kids and I found this like adorable little park in Castaic, and there were like locals having like a little cowboy get together and some kids practicing color guard. It was very like all American, you know, California vibe. So we found this like really cool playground, and I'm gonna check the CHP website. Oh, there is a rattlesnake hazard warning, so just be careful. The kids played at the park, and it's saying that we'll get through, that the road has opened, the I-5 has opened, and it'll take 2 hours and 15 minutes, so hopefully that's correct. We may need to go home. We went up this hill trying to get around this accident, and this is so LA. They're filming for the TV show SWAT, and all the back roads are closed until 4 o'clock. We talked to the guy who was at the road closure with a CHP, and I said, is there any other way out of here? And he said, no, you're gonna have to go back down the hill. So I'm in this traffic jam, and I said, what's going on? And he said, well, we're filming, we have like cars doing stunts and they're turned over, and this is closed till 4. But the freeway, there's a bad accident on the 5, so that's why this is happening. So I called my brother, like, honestly, I'm really discouraged. We might just go back to Palm Springs. I wish we had a motorcycle. The kids are making fun of me because I'm like, look, it looks like it's moving. They're like, are you kidding? You are not driving. Yeah, they're like, have you not been beaten down enough?
Wow, shame on you.
I just feel like...
Shame, 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 shame.
Oh, you guys, it just looks like it's moving now.
No.
Oh my god, but this is so bad. There's people coming from every direction, so it's probably not moving. I like get accurate information about whether the 5 is functional. But there's all of this happening, and we've been in this Castaic, California for 2.5 hours, so. We're throwing in this towel, we're going home. And the kids were like, yes, because they were just like so done. Like we had been like trying to get north. It just, sometimes, you know, life just has another plan for you. And on this particular day, the plan was you're gonna see California, you're gonna explore the countryside, you're gonna hang out at a park with your kids and have a picnic, but you're not going to the Citrus Ranch today.
Even though it's sad that we like didn't get to go to the ranch, it was still fun just like being in the car, like just hanging out and going to the playground. Did you tell them that we went to the playground?
A little bit.
Oh, well yeah, we made a friend, so.
It's a road trip day.
Yep, road trip day.
If you guys have like a similar story, a similar like road trip fail, like please tell us about it in the comments. I definitely think this is like a great warning sign to any of you that are thinking of like taking a road trip to just like go with it. You might end up discovering something you never expected, or, you know, having some sort of adventure that'll be super memorable. Whatever you do, stay safe and take it easy. Don't be in a hurry to get anywhere because it's not worth it. And yeah, just happy travels, you guys. I'll see you later in Super Cali Land. Bye. I don't think anyone's gonna want to watch this because this isn't like the desert to the mountains. This is like what could go wrong on a road trip in California. The kids played at the park. They had fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's in your mouth.
Declan, we're back. It's Morongo.
Oh my god.
We're back. Yay! We have been on the road since 7 a.m. and it's 4 o'clock. Namaste. Is there anything else? All right, all set.